What's up, Quinn Squad? Welcome back to Tires World. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't already. Because, why not? And if you haven't, that hurts my heart. And if you have, I love you so much. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You gotta go. Not cause emotion. Mexico. So today we're doing a little video. I got some things from Walmart because let me go pick them out because they've been really good. I'll just give you a sneak peek of everything. I got a lot of candy and a little slime surprise. Whee! There. That's all you can see right now. The first thing we're gonna open is the slime surprise, of course. So, Karina Garcia. Karina's pre-made, filled with gems, gemstone slime. I was gonna get the mystery slime, and it has 4 slime containers. I've got one of these before, but I didn't get this type. I don't really know where it went. So yeah, let's open this. The gemstones, and it says filled with gems. So yeah. It says, check out our other slime packs, metallic and typical, over 50 different textures, scents, and colors. Okay, first of all, I love this container. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, so when you first open it, you have this, and then you have, looks like ruby slime. So we're going to push that. We open the container from the bottom because I took this little plastic one. So we have ruby slime. Let's check out our ruby slime first. I don't know what this one is for. Of course. Oh, I got a pencil right here. Okay, let me shake this part off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I wish you guys could smell this ruby slime. Oh my gosh, it smells straight cherry Kool-Aid. We have little rubies in it, little gems. This is so cool. Ooh, this is a good texture. So it's rippy, but it feels like I haven't felt good slime, and that's my mouth, and forever. Good clicking noises. I'm loving this. I love this one so much. Okay, well, this is a great slime. Ruby slime, your smell, your everything about you is amazing. Okay, next slime we have emerald slime. Emerald. Of course, has a container packaging. That's fine. Okay, well that all came out in one piece. The other one came out in little bits. Okay, emerald. This smells like the green Kool-Aid. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Ooh, we got bigger gemstones, clear little gemstones. Oh, I like the gemstones. I'm not a big fan of putting gemstones and everything in my slimes, but these gemstones, they stay in the slime, and if you want to take them out, you can, but it's very hard. You have to take all the slime off. So they're kind of green, but they look really clear on camera, but they're a little bit tinted green type thing. So these smell really good. The last time I got them, they smell disgusting, blue topless slime. Boop. Oh, and this one's Karina slime. Boop. What if I take it out? Not really. My hand. I have a cast on. You know, it really, really hurts. No, I'm not joking. Okay, we're going to do the blue slime. Blue topaz slime. Okay, let's try to open it like we did the last one. Why? Why couldn't we open it like that? That was so amazing and easy to get out. Oh my gosh. I was going to get 2 of these, but I decided not to. Why? Because I wanted to save my money. Ew, okay. It smells like blue something that's like baby. Like baby, some type of baby food it smells like. I feel like I remember this from Baby Thing Sailor. Okay, so the little blue gems in it. But it smells like crusted up blueberries, little things that they have in for babies. But it's disgusting. The smell. Okay, well, whatever. We're just gonna go with this Crinus slime. There we go. That smells like some type of Clorox. Really, the smell is so disgusting. Like, I'm disgusted by this. Like, I wish your slimes just smell better. Like, the first 2 was amazing, but the second 2 were stress. Okay, I don't even know how to explain this. Like, I wish you guys could smell this. Okay, well, there's another gem, of course. I love the slime. Texture, amazing. So, yeah. That's all the slimes. Yeah. All the slimes. So, boom. 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 Okay, now it looks like we never opened it. Oh, wait. Okay, well, whatever. We opened it, but cool. So that's the Kriana Garcia slimes. 4-pack. Okay. Okay. Next, I've never actually seen this, so I just got it. Krabby Patty Plus Prize. SpongeBob. There's grape, green apple, blue raspberry, cherry, and original. I've had the original Krabby Patty before. It was like a surprise. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. First of all, there's little stickers that you can put on you. Little stickers. I love our little SpongeBob stickers. Who are these people? I don't even know. I don't watch SpongeBob. Okay. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Ooh, we got the grape. These Krabby Patties are big. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then I got our little surprise. Let's open our surprise first. Who is this? Okay, well, let's just click the character. That's the character I got, but I don't know what it's called. Comment down below if you know what this is called, because I don't watch SpongeBob. So we best you guys. So as you can tell, I got the grape, Krabby Patty. It's upside down. Krabby Patty, the grape bun, the lettuce, the meat that does not look cooked, and the the ew. This, I don't know if the cherry might be better. Ew. Let's see if it's just a bun. is just a bun. But this is the other part's really good, but that is disgusting. I'm gonna eat it really quick. I don't think I have like the red spot right here. Finally, okay. Okay, I will never buy this again. Ew, the little character is cute, but ew. What should I do next? I'm gonna do this. I don't really think I've ever had a nerd rope before. I really don't. I don't know why. I just have a feeling that I've never had. Pretty much the Twizzlers covered in, yeah, pretty much. Okay. It's tear and share. Well, I'm not gonna share this. It says it on there. Tear and share. Well, I don't want to share it. Little nerd. Okay. Nerd rope, of course. This is good. So that's a pretty good. And if this video gets, so today's Monday, right? This video gets to 100 likes it's Monday night right now. So if it gets to 100 likes by Wednesday, I will show you guys me eating this Kinder Joy egg with a little surprise. Don't you want to see that? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And this juicy drop, which is really sorry, my face is so funny, but I can't tell you guys until if you give me 100 likes. Not 100 views, 100 likes. Just saying. Yeah. Tell your friends to like my videos. And yeah. Peace.